if you're sitting there thinking, oh, I need to make a YouTube video this week, but I don't know what to film, then this one's for you. Hi and welcome back to Learn with Nia. Today I'm sharing 3 super simple video ideas that you can film this week. No fancy equipment, no big production, just you, your phone and your brilliant ideas. So idea number 1, share what you know. So your knowledge is valuable. So think of something you know how to do that would help someone else. So for example, a quick how-to or simple beginner's guide. It could be anything, how you organise your day, a quick recipe, or even how you plan your videos. And remember, what's obvious to you might be mind-blowing for someone else. So idea number 2, answer a common question. So what do people always ask you about? Or what did you Google when you started? Make a quick video answering that question. And if you can, use the exact words you typed into Google or YouTube or whatever you typed into, because this will help people find your video when they're searching too. So for example, you could do things like how to add text in Canva, or what camera do I need to use for YouTube? So something super practical and helpful. Idea number 3, share a practical story or lesson. So people really love stories, okay? So pick a moment in your life where you learned something, whether it's big or small, and share what happened, share what you learned, and share how your experience might help your viewer. And it doesn't have to be dramatic, it just needs to be real, okay? Because stories build trust, they're relatable, and they show people the real you. And here's a little bonus tip when you're filming your videos. Use the gear you have, okay? Your phone camera is absolutely fine. Natural light, a window, a quiet corner. That's all you need to get started. Your audience wants you, not fancy gear or a huge set. So there you go. 3 easy video ideas you can film this week. So share what you know, answer a common question, and tell a simple story. And you know what? The hardest part is hitting that record button. Now give yourself permission to start, even if it's not perfect. And tell me, what video idea you're going to try this week? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to chat about it. And check the description to download my free YouTube upload checklist, completely free of charge, just for you. And if you enjoyed this video and it resonated with you, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you. Keep going, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.